Bilfinger.
Hello everyone, my name is Marco van der Linden and I'm the Vice President for Engineering for Bilfinger in the Middle East. This year we are celebrating 50 years of engineering in the Middle East. In 1974 we started our operations with our office in Abu Dhabi. That was still very much focused on the water industry. That was followed a few years later by opening an office in Dubai. After that, we expanded into Bahrain in 1997 and in Qatar a few years later. When I came in 1993, we were only a small team of about 60 people. Today, we have more than 1,000 people across 10 offices in the entire Middle East. This success story would not have been possible without the dedication of our employees, the engineers, the designers, and all the supporting staff. And also, because of the long-standing relationship we have with many of our clients over the past 50 years. So thank you, all of you. I'm very proud of what we've achieved together and I'm very much looking forward to build on this for the years to come.
I would like to extend my best wishes to our company and to our colleagues in engineering for celebrating 50 years anniversary. This is a fantastic achievement and I wish all the engineers will continue to be resilient and continue to contribute to our industry.
Hi, I'm Khalid Qureshi. I'm one of probably the oldest employee in this division, engineering division in this company. I was 10 years in Holland and now 35 years here in Abu Dhabi. I'm still working and I wish this success for all the people who are in it and now, and we will continue to grow. We have to keep up with the technology because that's only our, let's say, success path to further improvement and prosperity. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Muntasir Al-Hashimi. I am currently the Infrastructure Director of Bilfinger Engineering Middle East. And I am proud to celebrate this milestone of achieving 50 years in the Middle East. I have joined the company 27 years ago as a junior mechanical engineer in the oil and gas department. Then subsequently I transferred to Dubai. Then I came here with the water department in year 2000. We were around 5 people there. Then we started one of our milestones projects in 2004 in Al Ain, department of Sheikh Zayed, the late Sheikh Zayed. Then subsequently we have developed the department in 2008 into complete infrastructure department market unit, where we do the roads, bridges, utilities, dry utilities, everything. And I am so proud now to lead a team of around 290 people, infrastructure, amazing engineers.
Hi, my name is Wouter Nijkens and I'm proud to be heading the oil and gas team of Bilfinger Engineering Middle East. When I started my career in the UAE, ADNOC was still made up of Zatco and Atma Opco. We initially started our engineering business with the support of our Dutch offices, and over the years we have developed to become the global engineering hub for Bilfinger. It's really amazing to see how far we've come. For 50 years we've been supporting the development of the country, where we started with our first oil and gas project for a pipeline in a sub field already in 1981. And we even still have our colleagues Khalid and Abu Khalid around, who are still with us even though they joined at that time. Currently we are supporting operating companies and contractors with major engineering projects, some with teams as big as 150 engineers and designers working on a single project, here in our office on Hamdan Street. Did you know we've been in this building for 25 years already? It's become a landmark for so many engineers, designers and clients. And almost everyone in the UAE oil and gas business has had some interactions with us in their career. And we are proud of that. I'm really looking forward to continue the expansion and development of our Bilfinger engineering organization in the Middle East, and I wish everyone in the team a happy anniversary.
Being part of Bilfinger since 1996. At this time, with Bilfinger, it's rewarding, and I'm very much proud of what our company has accomplished over past 50 years. Our resilience, culture, and expertise in consulting and project management are incomparable. I wish all of our colleagues in Bilfinger Engineering all the best in year 2024.
Myself, I'm with Tibidin since 25 years. I started in offices in the Netherlands, and 23 years ago I came to Abu Dhabi. I wish the big congratulations to the whole Bilfinger Engineering family with the achievement of 50 years working in the Middle East, and I'm more than happy to work for a longer term with Bilfinger Engineering. Thank you very much.
Hi, myself Thomas Moller. I'm very much proud to be here in Bilfinger Engineering. I worked last 26 years in Bilfinger, and I congratulate Bilfinger for celebrating 50 years in the Middle East.
Hello everyone, we are proud to announce the 50th anniversary of Bilfinger Engineering in the Middle East. This milestone is all about visionary leadership, strategic guidance, technical expertise and committed teamwork. We provide optimized solution for every project, regardless of the type. Here's to more growth and success to Bilfinger. Thank you.
I head the management consulting practice and the project management consultancy unit of Bilfinger. I'm based in Abu Dhabi. I've been here with the organization for 5 years now, as opposed to some of my colleagues who have been there with the organization for decades. Bilfinger is celebrating 50 years in UAE. I'm celebrating 5 years in Bilfinger. Wish Bilfinger the very best.
It's been a privilege to be part of this exceptional company for 35 years, initially as a pipeline engineer and later as a manager. Among all the experiences, the most memorable ones are the entrepreneurial endeavors. I had the honor to spearhead the establishment of 4 offices in the region: Bahrain 1997, Qatar 2003, Saudi Arabia 2012 and Kurdistan 2022. It's been an extraordinary journey and I look forward to more success in the future.
Hi, my name is Khalifa. I'm a piping engineer and I'm proud to be part of this celebration. Congratulations, Bilfinger Engineering.
Happy
50th anniversary.
50th anniversary.
Bilfinger Engineering.
Bilfinger Engineering.
Happy 50th anniversary Bilfinger Engineering.